Hey guys, it's Sean here. Second video on my channel. This is one of my other creations. Some of you may recognize it from another designer. But the other designer truly was rubbish. It's alright. I did like his design in the end. But all he had was this bit. He doesn't have the writing, he doesn't have these colours here except for those. He didn't have the stripes and the nameplate. But it's good that he done it. Anyway, you can also download this one. So yeah, please download my stuff because it's really good. And please subscribe as well. Come on, have a look at it. Go on. It's the best you can get to a British police car on SketchUp. Come on. It's alright, isn't it? I think it's fine. I would have coloured some of that in there, but then I tried to and it just coloured everything in, so it was quite a fail. But yeah, you can get it up. There you go, Miss Seanyman there. Might recognise my ambulance from my other creations, and next video will be the bus stop one. And this is the police car download model. I've only uploaded it today. See, nothing. No downloads and no views. So please do download and subscribe for more and better creations.